You see? Oh, this is how it will look. This recipe you know, and you can also enjoy it any weather. You understand? So this is it. Wow. Then hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Joy Cooking Show, and my name is Joy. Today we have this great recipe. I'm gonna be making this avocado with this cucumber and also banana. I'm gonna mix everything together. It's just gonna look like guacamole, but you will enjoy this because the one you'll be eating, they don't have cucumber, they don't have banana, but I am making all this with wrap. You're gonna enjoy it. Trust me when I say you're gonna enjoy it. Please, if today is your first time on my channel, you are all very welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe and also like my video and also share it for others to see. Thank you all, and watch out for the preparation. So these are the avocado. This is how it will look. It's already soft like this, because when you buy them they are not soft. You just have to keep them in a room temperature, and 2 to 3 days they will be very soft. So this is it. It's ready now to use. So right away, you just take your knife, cut it in two. You see? Oh, this is how it will look. So healthy. So this is summertime. I have to be bringing fresh, refreshed food that will be very, very filling and healthy for us. So this is it. We're just gonna drop it here. Yeah. Now just gonna remove the seed. It's very easy to remove the seed. See? You can take it off down like that. The seed is also healthy. Keep them in your freezer. Anytime there are many, it's time for you to use it. Bring it out, boil it, remove the extra layer on top, and grind it. You can blend it, or you can just use it as a tea. It's very healthy for you. So let me see how many I'll be using. Maybe 2 will be enough, because you cannot do it and keep it. You just have to eat it. You can't keep it. If you keep it, the color will change. It can turn black, from green to black. That is why when you make it, make the one you're gonna eat. Okay. Now I'm gonna mash it. Very easy to mash. I'll take off my glove so I can mash it very well. Just use your fork, press it out, because you're gonna make it as like a mousse. Everything have to press. Why I leave the spoon inside, because I'm still gonna use the spoon, so no need of taking it out. So I already, you see, it's called guacamole. You see, I already mashed everything. So right now I'm just going to add all the ingredients that I want. First, I'm going to be adding pepper. This is pepper. It's a chili flake, just a little bit of it to eat, so that it can have that heat. I'm gonna be adding salt. Just a little bit of salt, not too much. This is gonna be sweet and salty. So right away I am gonna be adding, you see, this is the cucumber that I made today. Just gonna add it. This recipe, you will love it. Very healthy and it's so good. You will really like it. Oh my god, it's one of the food you will eat and you just need more, and just have your belly will thank you for it, your stomach. So this is it. And now I am gonna be adding the banana. This is chopped banana also. Just add this. One full banana is enough. Depends on how many people that want to eat it. Then we're gonna add a little bit of lemon, just a squeeze. You see, just a squeeze of lemon to it. That's it. Now just gonna mix everything together. Mix everything very well. See, this is your good food. It's health. When you eat this, you say, oh, baba. So we're gonna add a little bit of parsley, chopped parsley to it. So that is when everything is ready. So this is the parsley. Just gonna add it to it. So now just gonna mix everything together again. See, we're gonna be stirring everything together gently. See, this is how it will look. You see it? This is it. Wow, this is all you need, and it's so healthy. Right now I'm gonna be making bringing out the, so right now I'm just gonna take this one aside, and I'll be bringing out the tortilla. I'm gonna be using this cup. See the cup, and we're gonna be putting the tortilla inside. So this is the tortilla, you see, fresh. So you can use whole wheat, or you can also use corn tortilla. You can also use cassava tortilla. This is cassava tortilla. So now I'm just gonna fold it around and just place it in the cup. You see, this is how it will go. Then I'm gonna be making two will be fine. The same way, you see. Let me show you this way so that it will be easy. You see, just make under to be a little bit tight. You can use any shape. Why I'm using this shape? Because I want to eat my guacamole first before I can start eating before I will start eating my, you see, this is it. First guacamole, then I will start eating my tortilla. So now I have to fill in this tortilla. So right away, I'm just gonna start the filling. See? Oh, wow! In this summertime, when it will be summer, this is one of the food we enjoy. We are almost spring now. and you can also enjoy it any weather. You understand? So this is it. Wow. Then I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil to it. This is full meals, guys. Wow. Oh my god. Then I will add my fork to it. You see, this is it. Oh, this one too good. You see, huh? So thank you all, and please, you guys should subscribe to my channel. You will feel the sweetness from the banana. You will feel the taste of avocado, fresh and tasty, and you will also feel the spike of hot chili pepper, the flake I just put today, and you will also see and feel the lemon, a little bit of sourness. Oh, this is crunchy, munchy, and everything you want is in this very cup of tortilla. So thank you all, guys, and please subscribe to my channel, Joy Cooking Show. If you like this recipe, let me know, and let me know what you think about this recipe on my comment section. Thank you all. Bye for now.